What's up, Marcus TV, and I'm back with another one and another unboxing. We in the lobby. You see, I'm still trying to arrange how I want to set it up and everything, but we ain't worried about that. Hey, keep on doing what y'all doing, getting my videos out there. I appreciate that. Shout out to all the companies. You know, I'm gonna say that in every video. Shout out to all the companies that's, you know, getting these packages out to the channel. I appreciate that. Keep dropping these videos. Rain video coming soon. The weather been crazy in Texas, but hey, we finna get it. Y'all looked at my last video. I told y'all when I opened this box, I had something else for another video. VipeRay Optics, you know, they sent out this VipeRay IR laser. It's green IR laser combo, if y'all can see that. That's the packaging and come in, move it out the way. Let's open this bad boy. Tactical laser sight combo. It's a manual. Got a good little manual. Strapper compact. Laser sight. It came with the pressure pad. Got like 4 little dots, 4 little buttons. The pressure pad, and let's see what this boy looks like. I like, got some weight to it. Got a Picatinny up here on the top. Y'all check that out. It's different than the Pic 15 I got. I guess you put your battery back here. Your battery, your pressure go like this, I guess. I guess I go like that. It's quick detach, little snap in, whatever. How big is this button? What kind of battery say CR123A battery. I'm gonna get that mounted up. Shout out VipeRay Optics, man. Keeping your boy with the technology. Okay, right here on the side, you see it got IR laser, green laser, and the combo. And it got your windage and elevation to both of them. Yeah, to both of them right here on the top. Y'all can see that. And then on the side to each laser, I guess, to zero in. You know, I'm gonna put a red dot up here probably. Either a red dot or flash, a little flash, and not another little flashlight. Cause I'm gonna put it on the MK12, y'all. But hey, I ain't gonna make this video too long about this, cause y'all wanna see this boy in action. I like it. I'm trying to see what all is to it. All right, got the quick detach to the. Oh yeah, I like that. Queasy. Yeah. Easy access to use, button feel. Don't feel cheap, I know that. But y'all tell me, drop down in the comments what y'all think. Get y'all a good look of that. And it got their logo and stuff right here on the side. But hey, like, comment, subscribe. Channel only going up, baby. And we out.